all done. So let me show you around. So the desk, we had decided to take it downstairs, put it in the basement, but I don't really want to do that because when we move out of here, there's less stuff we got to bring up and down and so on and so forth. So I said, how about an entryway table? Even though this is not the entrance to my house, I know this, but just imagine a nice cute like cover, not a tablecloth per se, but maybe a runner, something to kind of like hide, you know, the spots from the tape, but you know, something nice and decorative, but to hide the fact that it's an actual desk. Because husband was like, he wanted to move these boxes, and I said, perfect. I'm like, I'm gonna get a nice cover, hide that. We can still use the drawers, but yes, and I have things displayed. That clock has that lamp has a light bulb in it that is set for like 2 hours, so it'll go off in 2 hours and then it'll come back on at the same time every day. It just makes it easier because now that it's getting darker outside. But yep, this is the entryway table. Now I have some place for the speakers to go and they're not in the way. Everything is nice and clean, semi not cluttered. The smaller couch over there, his stuff, and my mom, and then the bigger couch over here and the rest of the things. But now my husband has his space back.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.